Hello everyone and welcome to this week's Plan With Me. So I actually purchased these from Michaels. These are the sticker book sets from Shine Sticker Studio, 1 Ton in a Million, and Sweet Kawaii Design. And these are actually new at Michaels. There are a lot of other ones. I did limit myself to purchase only a couple. And I also purchased the little like magnet bookmark set. So it actually comes with 4, but I don't remember where I put the last one. So I thought it was in here, but it's not. But anyway, it does come with 4, not 3. But I did purchase those as well. And there are a lot of other accessories such as washies and postcards and a bunch of other fun things. But again, I limited myself to the ones that I wanted to use because I know that I really need to shop like my own like sticker stash. So I did purchase a couple of these, so I'm going to go through these real quick. I bought 4 of the weekly sticker kits because I do like kits. The things that I use the most are kits. So that one's the one from Shine Sticker Studio, the one with the mermaids inside. Since living in San Diego, I really need to have, you know, like summer things. And then the Sweet Kawaii Design ones I got was the one with the coffee because I really do like coffee. So this is a quick flip through with that. And then the other ones are the 1 Ton in a Million ones. So I got 2 of these because one was a birthday themed one. So this one is like mostly for like birthdays. And I thought this would be fun to have because sometimes I forget to purchase a birthday kit or make one. So if I ever need it, it's there. And then I have the macaron one, which is pretty cute as well. So this is perfect for like spring at the same time. So those are the ones that were sticker kits. And then I got 4 of the sticker books, which kind of like went with what I usually use. So I got the planner themed sticker book from 1 Ton in a Million. So it kind of has a bunch of things like washies and planner items when you order packages, a bunch of things that I normally use. So I got this book, and then I got the payday and mini book as well. So it has kind of like a weekly budget and bill dues and no spends. And I kind of really like this because it kind of went with what I also use normally. And then the last one from 1 Ton a Million was kind of a everyday kind of book. So if you needed something to accent something with. So it had like habit trackers and sidebar stickers and things that you can use all the time. Plus it also had these cute date headers that I really wanted to use. And then the other one was also kind of like an everyday functional book from Shine Sticker Studio that I found, and it has hollow on here, so I actually really like that. And then it has a couple of other different kinds of stickers. Those are the books that I purchased from Michaels. I know there's more, but I really did limit myself, and I did go to 2 different stores, and both of the stores had different things. So it kind of just depends on which Michaels you go to. So anyway, I'm actually going to use the Sweet Kawaii Design book for this week. And I'm going to go through this real more in detail right now. So it has full boxes and checklists and half boxes and checklists that are actually really cute with the coffees right here. And it has more of those like headers and washi strips and a bunch of other things. And then these are really cute with the longer like bottom washies. So I'm going to use those in my planner. I'm not exactly sure the sizes of most of these, but I think they will fit in my Erin Condren for the most part. I did notice that these like weekly headers are actually really short, so they won't cover this, so I might have to put in a washi on the bottom. But we'll get to that when I get to that part. But I actually really like this book. And the colors being pastel kind of fit with January still, since it is like the last like full week of January. And I have so much to do this week as well. And that is it. So I'm going to get started. So first things first is the bottom washi. For some reason, I always start with this first. What do you start with? Leave a comment down below. Also, for those of you who use Erin Condren's, the washi and boxes do fit your planner just fine. I did notice that the stickers not being together was a bit hard to flip through each page. So you might want to tear those out. But overall, I do love this kit and what it has, especially for the price of $5. So if you're looking for cute affordable kits, check Michaels. I did put in 2 of the washi strips at the top of the page and then place my date headers, but that's more of a preference. You can totally do it opposite way. Put your date headers first and then just place the washi on the top. But obviously I wasn't really thinking I might do that for the next plan with me that I use one of these kits for. Anyway, so back to planning this week. There is no post on Monday. For some reason, I keep thinking Harry Potter when I say that. It is a holiday, so I am not dropping anything off at the post office on Monday. But anyway, Monday, I do want to reorganize the bathroom and finish organizing my closet sometime on Monday. So I do have that planned. I did go to the Container Store this weekend and I bought a bunch of shoe boxes and storage to put the bathroom goo in. Goo as in all the random stuff that you put in your bathroom and then you just keep there forever. But I did buy one bin that I wanted to keep everything actually used in, and I'm throwing everything else away because it's got to the point where it's so ridiculous. I did realize I needed a couple more things than what I purchased this weekend, so I am going to do that on Monday since I'll also be in the area already, since I have lunch with a few planner friends tomorrow or today. Obviously, I'm pre-filming this since this is going up on Monday. There is a $2 Tuesday, so if you are looking for a travel kit, and I'm thinking travel countdown stickers, I'm not exactly sure if that will happen. Look for that on Tuesday. Tuesday and Wednesday are currently my order days. I do have a bunch of orders from last week that I want to get out on Tuesday and Wednesday, so look for shipping notifications. If you are ordering $2 Tuesday, I'm going to try to get those out before the end of the week. They might just roll over onto next Monday. Just give you guys a heads up as where I am with orders. There are no new releases on Friday, by the way. However, I did put new releases out last Friday, so if you didn't check those out, make sure you go do that. There is a link in the description box. Also, if you haven't met my new team, go follow them all on Instagram. They all have special codes and freebies of 15% and collect their freebie. On the Instagram, there's a big post, a couple posts back, more like there's a post, maybe 10 posts back, with their codes and their freebies and everything you can get. So make sure you check that out. Okay everyone, so that is this week's plan with me. I hope you guys like this. I do have a lot of stickers left over, so I think what I'm going to do is put this also in my TN insert. Because this is my work planner, so I kind of do my to-do lists here and make sure I check those off, and then my TN is kind of a bit more of a priority thing, so things that I need to remember to do. Pen test wise, I did notice that any felt tip pen worked a little bit better. You do have to let them dry though. I did have a Zebra Sarasa pen that I tried, and that one smeared completely even as I was writing it. So don't use that one, or do a pen test before on the corner of one of the sheets to see if you like it, and then kind of wait for that to dry because there is a small finish on some of these stickers, so you might need to use that. Use that with caution. For the foil part, you might need a Sharpie. So this is a Sharpie Ulta Fine Point marker. But that is it for this week, and I hope you guys like this kit, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye everyone!